The Sony FX3 II have completely taken over the filmmaking world. Cinematographers, documentary shooters, commercial creators, and YouTubers are all tracking this camera for one reason: it's shaping up to be far more than a simple upgrade. According to insiders, the FX3 II is expected to launch near the end of 2025, and Sony appears to be rebuilding the compact cinema category from the ground up. The goal? A camera that delivers true cinema workflows in a body small enough for gimbals, travel rigs, and run-and-gun production. While the original FX3 was praised for its low-light performance and compact design, it lacked several pro features creators demanded. And that's exactly what Sony is now targeting. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is a new 6K-capable sensor, offering higher detail, improved color, and cleaner downsampled 4K. Some reports even suggest near global shutter readout speeds, dramatically reducing rolling shutter during fast motion, handheld work, and action shots. Sony is also expected to introduce a much quieter cooling system, possibly eliminating fan noise altogether, huge for interviews, documentaries, and clean on-camera audio. Design refinements are coming too, including a stronger, weather-sealed body, improved ergonomics, better button placement, and a brighter, more flexible fully articulating LCD for vloggers, vertical shooters, and solo creators. But the most exciting rumor? Built-in electronic ND filters. A true cinema feature that would allow instant exposure control without external filters, massively speeding up real-world workflows. Autofocus is expected to leap forward as well, with Sony's latest AI-powered subject tracking, including faces, eyes, animals, and vehicles, perfect for unpredictable shooting environments. Creators are also hoping for open-gate recording and internal RAW, unlocking multi-aspect workflows for YouTube, TikTok, vertical video, and cinematic widescreen, all from a single take. Add advanced monitoring tools, improved LUT support, and professional audio integration, and the FX3 II starts to look less like a mirrorless camera and more like a true cinema powerhouse.